Mr. Michael, good to see you again. Please tell us about the future of the wine prices, how inflation is going to in fact impact on wine consumers and as well as the producers.
Wine prices is a very tricky question because we have some wines which are traded at unrealistically high prices, especially wines like the First Growth Bordeaux or some of the best Burgundies. They reach prices far above the thousands of dollars, and it's a lot of speculation inside there. For sure, the value of the wine itself is not there anymore, so it's very speculative. But talking about more the mainstream wines, I think with the introduction of more technology, at the lower end there will always be a very wide range of very affordable wines. This will never change because technology will help to produce wines at a low price level, but they will not have a lot of authenticity. They will be very commercial. The more you go into authentic wines with a certain profile and a certain style, the more you're paying for individuality. So the individual wines which are reflecting a certain terroir, a certain wine making style, they will always cost a little bit more money. But I think as the consumers move up with their knowledge, also their buying behavior will move up. And they will buy wines which are more expensive because they can expect more typicity in the wines.
And last but not least, do tell the readers could they locate you on the website or Facebook? Do you have?
I'm probably one of the last people in the world who is not using Facebook, and I'm pretty proud about that. But the easiest thing is just Google my name, and then you will find some information about myself. And my best platform is probably austriasfinebrand.com. That's a marketing platform for Austrian wines. And there is one thing I would like to recommend there. I have a pronunciation guide there. Some people tell me that it's quite difficult to pronounce some of the grape varieties and producer names, especially from Austria. So if you click on my webpage on this pronunciation guide, I will speak them for you. So when one of your readers is missing my voice, you just have to go to my webpage, click on the pronunciation guide, and I will speak.